Howdy everyone, today we got an unboxing video for you guys. Here's a look at the date and time on the Casio, and in the background we have Jay Sacco, we have Thomas from Tom's Terrific Retails, and David's Retail Adventures, because we're playing Minecraft together. But anyways, today we have an unboxing video for you guys. So, if you guys remember and there goes the camera falling. If you guys remember, I'm using a cheap tripod right now as well. If you guys remember, I had a Canon Vixia R700 before that I broke. And also, I broke my Samsung F90 that doesn't have the best quality. It still records video perfectly fine, but screen cracked from a drop, unfortunately. Also, this is my second attempt with this unboxing video. So, I need to make sure this works quickly. Anyways, we have this cool case here that's nice, hard padded on the bottom. And yeah, I could be shooting this on this, but it's easier to shoot it on my phone, so it's not the best quality. I apologize. I need to start shooting 1080-60 again, but last time I did it, it failed because I shot in the slow motion thing at 120 frames, which was stupid. But anyways, this back section here is empty, so let's go ahead and look in here. So firstly, we have the mini HDMI cable. Don't know when I'm going to use that, but I'm going to throw it over there. This even came with a free flip camera. Look at this. This is cool. This was $78 for this kit. But it came with this free flip camera that I'll probably use a little bit. And it does work. This also came... I'll stick this back in here. I'll stick it in the top, actually. There we go. There we go. You fit in there perfectly. It also came with this charging cable, which I'm going to plug back into the wall. It's really tangled up, though. And it's the same charger that the R700 used. And you guys already know what it is. My new official elevator filming camera. The Canon Vixia HF R60 camcorder. This is a very nice camcorder so far from the looks of things. Even the quality looks good on it. I have to find my other battery from the R700 though. There is a memory card in here already because I had to stick it in. But as you could tell, the quality is really nice so far. Obviously, my phone can't keep a focus on the screen, but, I mean, this is a really nice camcorder. It feels very comfortable to hold, and filming with this is going to be a breeze, even though in malls I'm probably going to still use this, or the WX350 or T99. Anyways, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There'll be a test video coming out from this soon. Unfortunately, I lost my old intro and outro, so I do have to make a new one. So there will be some unedited videos for the moment, but then I'll get back to actually editing them soon. So, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. That'll be it.